How to fix the issue of you have been blocked on Discord. In this video, I will show you if you have been ever blocked by the Discord application, so how can you fix that? So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to your web browser and search for down detector Discord. That means here we will check whether the server of Discord is alright or not. So type down detector Discord in your web browser and click on the first link. As you can see, user reports indicate no current problem at Discord, so that means the server of Discord is alright. So it is the issue with your account. You might have violated some guidelines of Discord application and that is why it might have blocked your account. So you are suggested to write an email or wait for a few days so that Discord will fix it on its own. And that's all. That is how easily you can fix the issue with you have been blocked on Discord. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.